Hi fams, you're welcome back to the Tech channel, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can disconnect Google Discover on your Android device. Now the first thing you'd want to do is to go to settings on your device, and then you'd want to scroll down to find Google at your Google account. Just go ahead and click on the Google app. Alright, so once that is open, click on the second option on the right that says all services. So the next thing to do from here is to click on search, assistant and voice. Alright, so the next thing is to scroll down to other settings, that's language, autocomplete, auto history, and you'd see the discover option right on the app. So just go ahead and toggle that off, and that way you have successfully disabled seeing stories that are related to your interests on the home tab of your Google account on Android. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this.